Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here. And today we're gonna continue on promoting the best system I've seen, the all-in-one digital business, $25 on My Lead Gen Secrets here. Right, so let's speak on it real quick. Now, the thing is, this costs $25, right? You can start with $25. $25, right? Now, set yourself up to get $20 each person and $100 each person monthly commissions. This is 80% commissions, residual, recurring commissions, 80%. This is impossible anywhere else. This is the best system I've found to make money with in 2022. It's brand new, and it's just the best system I've found so far for affiliate marketing. If you're interested in making money online, this is what you want to do. You want to use this. And what we're gonna do, use it with My Lead Gen Secrets. That's what we've been doing on this case study so far. Trying to get a sale with My Lead Gen Secrets. Yeah, man, this is just the best, man. And like I said, you only need 2 people to make a profit, to start making profits already. And this ain't just something you pay $25 and you don't get nothing from it. These are products that you can use in your marketing business, so to speak. A bunch of funnels people done made in the system. That's a cool thing that you get. You get a funnel builder, and one of the smoothest funnel builders on played with. Right? And once you make your funnel, you can pit it up so other people can get your funnel if you want them to. Like, it's up there. And you can set up these funnels for any type of business, any type of recurring income. So anyway, you get all of that stuff, and $100 is like added super, like training. $100 per month is all kinds of different training and such. Depending on what you're trying to do, say you got training for all kinds of, like, you want to do SEO training, you want to do Facebook training, you want to do ad training, say Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, any kind of ads you want to do. They have a person that's very qualified in showing you how to do it. Not because there's no way one person is very good at everything. That's one thing I want to show you guys. So this type of training is super effective, because if you know, some people have courses, and some people have courses that talk about everything. Those are the worst courses, in my opinion. The best type of course is somebody that knows how to do one thing really, really good. That's what you want to focus on. So that's why the training is so productive. And there's a bunch of different stuff too. I'm just saying training, but you can talk to people who already know how to do certain things. There's webinars, like everybody meeting up to talk about how to and the training is updated every time. It's updated frequently depending on what's going on. Like TikTok ads right now, they changing up a little bit, making it easier to use TikTok ads. They've been working on that last couple of months since and like the training for it is updated for that. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. Let's go ahead and get back to it. So we're going to My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're going to send an email here, a mailing system here. We're getting plenty of clicks. We have not gotten a sale with My Lead Gen Secrets yet, but I just started, guys. So we're going to continue on here. All right. You got to stay consistent. That's one thing about My Lead Gen Secrets. Stay consistent with what you're trying to do. So we're going to take this email here. Kenny Rogers School of Internet Marketing. I'm not too sure how well this will do. $25 all in one bit. Let me pick that. But that's the email I'm gonna use this time. I'm gonna see how well it do. It's a very unique email, so nobody ain't really seen them. That's one advantage that it has. Like, these are very very unique emails. So we're just gonna pick that. We're gonna capitalize everything here. Right, so like that. We're gonna do that. Now we're gonna go down here. We deleted everything, right? All right, so we're gonna grab the email that we're gonna use. This is the email body here. On the shorter side of things, you don't want a super long email. I find them don't do quite as well on my lead gen secrets, but I mean, we're just gonna follow the emails that I got from the system. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm using the emails they gave me, and they gave me a bunch of emails, so I'm just gonna use those to see how well they do, because I'm pretty sure people are not using this on my lead gen secrets yet. Like, I'm positively sure about that. Not that many people that know about this system. I'm like the only person using my lead gen secrets for it. I think at least recording it and showing you guys exactly what I'm doing here. God, that's the one thing, is it's a learning experience for me as well as you guys. I'm trying to show you guys how to make money online and stuff, and see what works, what doesn't work, so on and so forth here. So anyway, let's go click on sales here, and and like when I get a sale, I'm gonna show you guys. When I get a sale from my lead gen secrets, I'm gonna show you guys. All right, make sure that this works. All right, so that's all you have to do there. Get your link. Your link is gonna be the link you want to use for this page here. Now I put mine to a special domain name, so that's why I just wanted the link to look cleaner, so that's why I did that. But this is your link here, and you want the all in 25 business sales letter. Once you sign into the system, that's the link you want to use. All right, so anyway, let's get right to it. I'm gonna send the email here. Boom. All right, so if you got multiple accounts, make sure to hit perfect timing. If I haven't said it before, perfect timing, what it does is send an email around the time that people usually like to check their emails. All right, so anyway, let's go on to account here. If you got multiple accounts, what you do, you click on it like this, you go to the next page here. You want to make a different tab for your account so you can copy and paste your own email here. You won't have to worry about that. So we're gonna log into another account here, get it going here. So all you want to do is go from that to this. You want to copy and paste, copy and then paste it in, and you want to do the same thing here. All right, so you just want to go down, you want to copy, then you want to paste. Boom, you're done. See how easy that is? Very easy. You just send the email. Oh, you want to let me do this real quick. Make sure the link works. Always check and see if the link works. Like, I know it works because I did it multiple times, but check and see, make sure your link works, because you ain't getting no sales if your link don't work. So anyway, yeah, let me go on to the next account here. Boom, boom. We're doing our Digi affiliate. Okay, we're going in like that. Boom. So yeah, copy. All right, so we're gonna do that. Oops. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just confused. I confused myself for a second there. I'm very sorry. So, yeah, you want to copy paste it. There we go. I lost my mind for a second there. I'm very sorry about that. But anyway, you're just gonna send that email and you're done. That took me about 9 minutes, right? And most of it was talking about the system. Now let's look at the system a little bit more, because I want to talk about this. This is a video telling you exactly what to do. There's a bunch of videos telling you exactly how to set this stuff up, guys. It's telling you exactly how to do everything in the system. Very simple, very easy to understand here. And this page explains to you how you can make money real quick, real building. Because the way recurring income works, how you get sales with this, it is so much more valuable to get a sale with this system than any other system. You know what I mean? Because it's recurring income. And there's multiple reasons for that. Because one, there's an incentive to stay in the recurring income, because you get the recurring if you pay for the system, so to speak. Kind of like, say, Builderall or something like that. You get into the system, then you can promote the system. Like ClickFunnels, Builderall, a lot of, all the funnel builders for the most part does that. And you get a funnel builder. It's a very clean funnel builder. It's, if you ever did ClickFunnels funnel builder is $97 per month. All right, this is pretty much the same thing in honesty, but it's only $25 per month. But not only that, but you can promote this product and get 80% recurring commissions. I think ClickFunnels is 40. I think it's 40. But you have to get a bunch of sales first or something like that. It's a little weird. ClickFunnels is a little weird. But this, you can slowly build up to, like, once you get a sale in this, it adds up. Like, you don't gotta get 10 sales this month and then get another 10 sales next month to be on track. You get 10 sales this month, you're making over $1,000. You're making $1,200 a month. You get another 10 sales next month, we're at 24. You at $2,400. You see what I'm saying? You get another 10 sales next month, you at 36. So it stacks up. So you making $36,000 just by constantly getting 10 sales every month, instead of like with other programs, you get 10 sales, you might get 1,000, you might get 1,200 this month, and then you need to get another 10 sales to get another 1,000, 1,200 next month. You know what I mean? Because this is recurring income, meaning people stay in the system and continuously pay you. That's why you want to promote it like that. And yeah, man, that's all there is to it. I wanted to make sure I clarify that with you guys. You can slowly build up. Say you get 2 sales every month, you get 1 or 2 sales per week, and you can get up to 100,000 per year very quick, like that. And trust, you can keep going. But this is a very profitable thing, and it's a very clean system when it comes to building. Like, it's a really good product. That's what I'm trying to say. So people want to use this. You might as well, if you're gonna use funnels, you might as well use this, because it got the best recurring commissions ever on the market, period. 80% is ridiculous, guys. I don't know if y'all know that, but 80% is crazy. And you can start with just $25, like it say here. Let's go down to the bottom here. You get a bunch of stuff here, get emails and all this and that. You get a ton of stuff right here, $25. And you can start the training stuff for $0 right now. If you go ahead and get into it, this is unlimited here, limited offer here. You could go and get the 2 weeks training. I mean, you can get the training for a full 2 weeks for free right now if you start right now, guys. The link is in the description if you want to start. I'm using My Lead Gen Secrets. There's a million ways to promote this, guys, but I'm using My Lead Gen Secrets because I want to see if I can get a sale with My Lead Gen Secrets. I'm very interested in that. But if I really one thing I really like about My Lead Gen Secrets is very simple to get into this space. You know what I mean? You don't have to know a lot to really sell with My Lead Gen Secrets. Anyway, all the links are in the description. There's a ton of ways to do this. I recommend TikTok. TikTok is the wave right now. Make some TikToks about it. You'll get sales. But anyway, guys, if you're interested, sign in. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell as well so you can catch all these videos when they come out. And that's about it, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.